Hello everyone. It is Tuesday, October 14th, and I am trying out a new camera, and if I can get this uploaded to the YouTube universe and you see it, I will have been successful. So we're looking at my small Quonset hut right now. In a previous video, I had mentioned that I was going to make this over into a sewing she shed. I've made progress on it. If you watched that previous video called Granny Hobbies, you can remember that there was a pile of trash there to the left side of those sliding doors. I got rid of that. I have made progress inside. I have taken numerous trips to Goodwill, getting rid of things I don't need or want anymore. I took a bunch of holiday decorations. I really don't decorate for holidays. I kind of decorate for seasons. Love the fall season, love pumpkins, all that kind of stuff. Changing leaves. Although we don't have that spectacular fall colors here in Oklahoma, it's still pretty nice. But this shop, the footprint is 20 by 20. It does not have electric run to it, but that should be fairly easy. It will also have to be climate controlled with heat and air conditioning. But again, with maybe a split unit and a generator, I think that would be pretty doable. So I hope everyone is having a good day. If, as I said in the beginning, if you see this, I have been successful. So thanks so much for watching. Take care. Be blessed.